Hello students, welcome to my channel, My Maths Teacher. I am teacher Krupa with one more video on the lesson Linear Regression. This is the 11th video on this lesson. Now students, as you know, we have already started with the properties of regression coefficients. And we have finished question number 1 to question number 10 of exercise 3.2. Today we'll be solving question number 11 and 12. And with this, we'll complete exercise 3.2. So let's start. Let us read question number 11. The following data about the sales and advertisement expenditure of a film is given below in rupees crores. Mean of sales is 40 and of advertisement expenditure is 6. Standard deviation of sales is 10 and of advertisement expenditure is 1.5. Then correlation coefficient between sales and advertisement expenditure is 0.9. Estimate the likely sales for a proposed advertisement expenditure of rupees 10 crores. Then second sub question, what should be the advertisement expenditure if the film proposes a sales target of rupees 60 crores? Fine. So let us first write what is given. So we are given X bar is equal to 40, then Y bar is equal to 6, then sigma X is equal to 10, sigma Y is 1.5, and correlation coefficient, that is R, is equal to 0.9. Right? So let us start with the first sub question. See students, I have copied the first sub question over here. Estimate the likely sales, that is X, for a proposed advertisement expenditure, that is Y, of rupees 10 crores. That means we have to find the value of X for Y is equal to 10 crores. Right? So we'll need to find the regression equation of X on Y. So let us write. So we all know regression equation of X on Y is X is equal to A dash plus BXY into Y. Correct? So we need to first find the value of BXY and A dash. Now BXY is equal to R into sigma X upon sigma Y. So let us now substitute the values. R is equal to 0.9 into sigma X is 10 and sigma Y is 1 upon 5. So this comes to, so by shifting the decimal points, we can write this as 9 into 10 upon 15. So that is equal to 90 upon 15. And we know 15 6 are 90. So this is equal to 6. So we get BXY is equal to 6. Now we'll find A dash. A dash is equal to X bar minus BXY into Y bar. So that is equal to X bar is 40 minus BXY is 6 into Y bar. Y bar is also equal to 6. So we get 40 minus 36, that is equal to 4. So A dash is equal to 4. Now we'll substitute the values of BXY and A dash in the equation of regression of X on Y. So therefore, regression equation of X on Y becomes X is equal to A dash. A dash is 4 plus BXY is 6 into Y. So we get X is equal to 6Y plus 4 as the equation of regression of X on Y. Now we'll find the value of X when Y is equal to 10. So therefore, when y is equal to 10, x is equal to 6y, that is 6 into 10 plus 4. So we get 60 plus 4, that is 64. So estimated value of x is 64 when y is equal to 10. Now let us write the final answer. The estimated sales is rupees 64 crores when the advertisement expenditure is rupees 10 crores. This completes your first sub question. Let's solve the next sub question. Sub question is, what should be the advertisement expenditure, that is y, if the firm proposes a sales target, that is x, rupees 60 crores. That means we have to find the value of y when x is equal to 60. So students, here we have to first find the regression equation of y on x. Now regression equation of y on x is y is equal to a plus byx into x. So first we need to find the values of byx and a. Now we know that byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. Let us substitute the values. R is 0.9 into sigma y, that is 1.5 upon sigma x, that is 10. So we get here 15 nines are 135. So that is 0.135. This is your byx. Now we will find a. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So let us substitute the values. Y bar is 6 minus byx, we have got 0.135 into x bar, that is 40. So that is equal to 6 minus 0.135 into 40 is equal to 5.4. So this is equal to 6 minus 5.4 is equal to 0.6. So we get a is equal to 0.6. Now we will substitute the values of byx and a in the regression equation of y on x. So we get regression equation of y on x is y is equal to a, that is 0.6, plus byx, we have got 0.135 into x. So this is the regression equation of y on x. Now we have to estimate the value of y when x is equal to 60. So we will substitute x is equal to 60 in this equation. Therefore, when x is equal to 60, y is equal to 0.6 plus 0.135 into 60. So we get 0.6 plus. Now 0.135 into 60 is equal to 8.1. So we get this is equal to 8.7. So y is equal to 8.7 when x is equal to 60. So let us write the final answer. The estimated expenditure is rupees 8.7 crores when sales is of rupees 60 crores. So with this we complete question number 11. Let's start with question number 12. So question number 12 is, for a certain bivariate data, the following information are available. Arithmetic mean of x is 13 and of y is 17. Standard deviation of x is 3 and of y is 2. Then correlation coefficient between x and y is 0.6. Estimate x when y is equal to 15 and estimate y when x is equal to 10. So same type of sum. We have to first find the regression equation of x on y to find the value of x, and then second part will be to find the regression equation of y on x. So let us first write given. X bar is equal to 13, y bar is equal to 17. Then standard deviation, that is sigma. Sigma x is equal to 3 and sigma y is equal to 2. And r is equal to 0.6. So first we'll find the regression equation of x on y. All of you know regression equation of x on y is given as x is equal to a dash plus bxy into y. So we need to find bxy. Very simple sum. Same type of sums are. So bxy is r into sigma x upon sigma y. We have used this formula many times now. R is 0.6 into sigma x is 3, sigma y is 2. So this is 0.9. bxy is 0.9. Now we have to find a dash. A dash is x bar minus bxy into y bar. So let us substitute the values. X bar is 13 minus bxy, that is 0.9 into y bar. Y bar is 17. So that is equal to 13 minus 17 nines are 153, and you have to put the decimal point after one place. So we get 15.3. So 13 minus 15.3 is minus 2.3. So your a dash is minus 2.3. Now as usual, we'll substitute the values of bxy and a dash in the regression equation of x on y. So we get x is equal to a dash is minus 2.3 plus bxy is 0.9 into y. So this is regression equation of x on y. Now we have to estimate x when y is equal to 15. So we will substitute y is equal to 15 in this equation. So we get when y is equal to 15, x is equal to minus 2.3 plus 0.9 into 15. So that is equal to minus 2.3 plus 15 nines are 135. So 0.9 into 15 you will get 13.5. So that is equal to 11.2. So therefore x is equal to 11.2 when y is equal to 15. So let us write the final answer. Estimated value of x is 11.2 when y is equal to 15. So this completes our first sub question. Let's solve the second one. In the second sub question, we have to estimate y when x is equal to 10. That means we'll have to find a regression equation of y on x. So regression equation of y on x is y is equal to a plus byx into x. So as usual, first let us find the values of byx and a. Now we know that byx is equal to r into sigma y upon sigma x. So let us substitute the values. R is equal to 0.6 into sigma y is 2, sigma x is 3. So this is equal to 0.4. So we get byx is equal to 0.4. Now let us find a. A is equal to y bar minus byx into x bar. So we get y bar is 17 minus byx 0.4 into x bar. X bar is 13. So we get 17 minus 13 4s are 52. So 0.4 into 13 will be 5.2. So that is equal to 11.8. So we got A is equal to 11.8. Now as usual, we'll substitute the values of byx and a in the equation of regression of y on x. So let us write y is equal to a plus a, we have got 11.8 plus byx is 0.4 into x. So this is your equation of regression of y on x. Now we will substitute the value of x, that is 10. So when x is equal to 10, y will be equal to 11.8 plus 0.4 into 10. Now 0.4 into 10 will be equal to 4. So we 15.8. So y is equal to 15.8 when x is equal to 10. Let us write the final answer. Estimated value of y is 15.8 when x is equal to 10. So students, with this we finish question number 12 and also exercise 3.2. So in the next video, we'll start with the next subtopic and exercise 3.3.
So students, I am sure as usual you must have liked this video. So please like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of this channel. Keep practicing, keep enjoying maths. Thank you and goodbye.